welcome to the new episodes of Thoughts and Education. Today, we have Dr. Manoj Abrol, who is HOD Hotel Management, Vidya Jyoti Eduversity. Welcome to Thoughts and Education, sir.
Thank you.
So, firstly, I would like to ask you, you have been in this education sector for so long. What has keeping you motivated to stay in the education sector?
See, education sector, if I tell you brief about myself, I have about 20 years of experience and I have industry and academics both. I would prefer academic sector because academics give you a lot of opportunities to learn. And when you learn, you impart knowledge. That is it, that motivates you, that you imparting knowledge and you actually budding new hospitality professionals to grow.
That's great, sir. Secondly, I would like to ask you, what is your philosophy on leadership and how would you describe your leadership style?
See, leadership in olden days were like kind of a Hitler system, which were kind of a dictatorship. But nowadays, leadership is that you be part of the team. You grow with the team, you let the team grow. And according to me, my working style is I give ample opportunities to everybody who's working with me to contribute with their suggestions, with their views, and whatever can be implemented, that can be done.
That's great, sir. Nextly, I would like to ask you, the education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here at your institute?
See, Indian education sector is a very deep education sector.
Yeah.
Whereas when you see about foreign countries or students studying abroad, they get just an outer overview because their more thing is kind of an assignment based or kind of a self-learning based.
Yes, sir.
Here we have both the systems. We actually train the students, we impart knowledge to them, and then we give them ample opportunities to grow within the industry. It kind of, we have an on-job training or we have an off-job training system. Both can be implemented here. So Indian sector of education is better than the education in abroad countries.
Oh, that's great, sir. Any insights into how your institute could be more welcoming to students of different races or economic backgrounds?
See, we have, in fact, when we talk about races here, even in our faculty system or even the administration here, are of different people traveling from different parts of the country.
Yes, sir.
So we are open to all. We actually encourage students, and since a lot of students are there with us who are traveling from different countries to study, so it gives a better picture for us to be into the more limelight.
Yes, sir. So nextly, I would like to ask you, what do you think are your roles and responsibility to the university and to the students?
See, we are a kind of a medium in between the university and the students. Whatever the university curriculum has been made, that actually has to be imparted to the students and vice versa. Student queries, student placement structures, that all needs to be implemented. So we are kind of a medium in between, kind of a bridge in between the university and the students.
That's great, sir. When you first came to the institute, what was your vision for the university? Has it evolved over time? And how far along in implementing the vision are you?
See, when I first came to the institute was, I like the institute. It is a very well equipped institute. It has a lot of diversified courses in it. In the hotel management wing only, we have about 8 to 10 courses, which deal with different aspects of the hotel and the tourism sector. Over the years, it has actually evolved because I can see a lot of professionals moving out from here. Those who have completed their degree, those who have completed their certificate course. There are students which have gone abroad even after doing their certificate courses. And there's a lot of growth in the university here.
Yeah, I would agree to that, sir. So what do you see as your institute's greatest strengths?
Greatest strength is the, I would say, the management, the open thoughts, the welcoming nature, and most probably the comforting nature for any individual who's moving out of the house and who's come to a new structure of college studies.
Okay, that's great, sir. Nextly, I would like to ask you, how does the curriculum of our institute ensure the best practice in the industry?
See, as per our curriculum, we have a 50-50 kind of a structure wherein 50% is the practical structure and 50% is the theoretical structure. Whatever is taught in the classes is then implemented practically on the floor. So a student passing on from a hotel management wing is equally equipped and skilled in the practical part also.
That's great, sir. Lastly, I would like to ask you any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and to the aspiring students.
See, I know there's a lot of hitch in the student these days because of COVID. Students are not moving out, parents are not really agreeing on it. But if we talk about the hospitality sector, the industry is opening. The industry is actually welcoming new talent. And when you actually go through a lot of job sites, there are a lot of opportunities for freshers and for skilled people also. So I would definitely encourage you to join the course and get a skilled development workshop on it.
Thank you, sir. It has been great interviewing you. Thank you for being part of the interview.
Thank you so much.